Shea butter and safflower seed oil promote healthy skin. Rich in antioxidants and made with honey and ceramide 3 to soften and heal severely dry or cracked skin in our Grapefruit Blossom Honey scent. Helps replenish the skin's natural structure that is lost due to aging or disruption of the skin's moisture barrier. All the good stuff, none of the bad stuff. No parabens, no propylene glycol or mineral oil, no lauryl, no laureth sulfate, no dyes or pigment, and ABSOLUETLY, no animal testing ever. Always cruelty-free. The Naked Bee was founded on a simple principle, the idea that a business should give more than it takes. We strive to create products that make a positive impact on both people and the planet. We at the Naked Bee are passionate about this philosophy. That's why we choose to use only the safest and most responsible ingredients. We never use questionable preservatives like parabens, and we make everything in the USA to ensure this quality. Top reviews from the United States. Fabulous skin repair with only one small application. Works very well on older dry, thin-skinned hands and smells wonderful. Fully absorbs in a matter of minutes. I bought 2 packages and will continue to buy more when I run out.